Hi, I'm Daniela and welcome back to my universe. In today's guide we will crochet this beautiful seal. It is really easy, fast, and it's a no-sew pattern. I hope you like it. Comment down below what should I do next, subscribe, and let's go to the video. I used super bulky yarn and a 4mm hook for this project. We will start with a magic ring, wrapping the yarn over, under, and cross in our fingers. I will pick up the hook and go under this yarn, grab the yarn on the top, pull it around my hook. I will grab the yarn on the top again and pull it through the loop in my hook. Now we will do 4 single crochet into the magic ring. To do 1 single crochet, we will insert our hook into the magic ring, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over, and pull through both of the loops in our hook. I'm going to do 3 more and then I will close this magic ring. I will start round 2 by doing 1 single crochet. Then I'm going to add a stitch marker at the beginning of the round so that I know when I have to finish and the number of stitches that I should have per round. Next we will do 2 increases. To do an increase you just have to do 2 single crochet into the same stitch. And to finish I will do 1 single crochet. You should end up this round with 6 stitches. In round 3 we will do 1 single crochet, 4 increases and 1 single crochet. We should end up with 10 stitches at the end of the round. In round 4 we will do 1 single crochet, 8 increases and 1 single crochet. We should end up this round with 18 stitches. We will start round 5 by doing 6 single crochet and I'll meet you back again to do the bubble stitch together. Now to do the bubble stitch we will yarn over, insert the hook in through the stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch. Now we should have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through only 2 of the loops. We should have 2 loops in our hook. We will repeat this 4 more times into the same stitch. This would be the second time. Now we should have 3 loops in our hook. I'm going to repeat this again. Now we should have 4 loops in our hook and we will repeat this one last time. And now that we have 5 loops over our hook, we will yarn over and pull through all of the loops. To continue with this round, we will do 4 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch and 6 single crochet. In round 6 we will do 6 single crochet, 6 increases and 6 single crochet. We should end up this round with 24 stitches. Before we continue, we will add the safety eyes between rounds 3 and 4, 5 stitches apart. For round 7, we will single crochet a round. This means we will do 1 single crochet per stitch. We will start round 8 by doing 4 single crochet. This would be the first one, 2 single crochet, 3 and 4. Now to do the decrease, we will insert our hook through the front loop only of the next 2 stitches. Now we will yarn under, pull through both of the stitches, yarn over and pull through both of the loops in our hook. We will repeat this until the end of the round and we should end up with 20 stitches. For round 9, we will do 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. We should end up with 16 stitches. On round 10, we will single crochet a round. On round 11, we will do 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. We should end up with 12 stitches. Now for round 12, we will do 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. We should end up with 8 stitches. before we continue, we will add as much stuffing as we can. Now we will do 4 decreases and we should end up with 4 stitches. We will now do the flippers of the seal. We will start by chaining 3. To chain, we will yarn over and pull through the stitch. This would be 1 chain. We will repeat this again. Yarn over, pull through the stitch, and yarn over and pull through the stitch. Now, starting on the second chain from our hook, we will do 2 double crochet. To do 1 double crochet, we will yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, then we will yarn under, pull through the chain. We should have 3 loops in our hook. I will yarn over and pull through 2 of the loops in my hook, and I'm going to yarn over again and pull through 2 in the loops in my hook. We will do another double crochet in the next chain. I will yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, then yarn under, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops, yarn over and pull through 2 of the loops. And this would be the first flipper. Now we will flatten the base and insert our hook through 2 of the stitches, like this, and we will do a single crochet as we usually do. And now I'm going to do the other flipper. So we will chain 3, do 2 double crochet. This is the first one and the second one, and we will do 1 single crochet into the 2 stitches that are remaining in our base. To finish, I will chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off. Now I will embroider the nose of the seal using black yarn. And there you go, I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember, you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. Tag me if you try it out, I would love to see your results, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!